Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening your system. EO dashboard and confirming your account. Once done, create the product and lead magnet. Next, map the funnel objective, lead capture, tripwire, or direct sale, and choose the offer price. You should add the product in Products right arrow create so checkout and integration are ready. Also prepare the headline, 3 benefits, and email sequence outline. This is the first actionable step. Add the product, upload the lead magnet, then create the funnel container so pages will attach correctly. Once your product exists, build the funnel structure. Add a squeeze page, a thank you page, and the sales or order form page. You design the pages using the editor. Make sure to connect the order form to the exact product SKU. Then set up integrations, SMTP for deliverability and Stripe, or PayPal for payments, so receipts and access are automated. Finally, add an email sequence and create automation rules that tag buyers, deliver the lead magnet, and move prospects to the next funnel step. You finish by testing everything end-to-end. Preview pages, submit the form, and run a test transaction to confirm payment, delivery, and tags. Check emails in several inboxes and verify access links or course enrollments. Once satisfied, publish the funnel and start traffic, ads, organic, or email. If something breaks, inspect the product mapping and payment logs, clear cache, remap product ID in the order form, and rerun the test. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most setup errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.